Hi friends, after long time again I am sharing my special video on PMS. Actually I have done a PMS video in 2020 June month, you might remember. So now I am sharing the performance of my analysis and some more tips for the investors. And this video is purely for the wealth creators and real knowledge giving content. And at the end I will share some few tips for the investors, and I also share my secrets how I get more success rate with my analysis. So I hope this video will help everyone. I have a small disclaimer. In this video I may give some company names or case studies. It's just meant for the case studies only, not for any other intention or something. So I hope everyone think is a just for educational purpose only. And at the end of video you can understand whether making 100% ROI in 3 years is possible or not, and making 30 times in 10 years is possible or not. You can understand this point after understanding everything regarding the market, the ways of investments, the ways of mistakes. So you can decide yourself whether this is possible or not after watching all this video content. And as I told, I will show my performance with proofs, and we are best in the industry. So the agenda will be like this. I'm going to share my analysis reports, and I'm going to explain what is PMS, what is the advantage, disadvantage, what is the difference, and I would like to share some mistakes of the investors, how they're losing their money with their mistakes. And at the end I am going to share some tips and secrets regarding the investments and wealth creation. So for 2021 budget I have given some advanced analysis. Before one day I have told the market prediction. You can see I have predicted the market growth before one day, and again I have predicted for the budget key points. I have predicted for the Section 80A approval or the Section 80A extension, and GST input taxes may be discussed in the GST Council meeting, but the decision was taken in the budget session only. But it will be finalized in the GST Council, and the government is giving more importance and support for the affordable houses, and Make in India will be the key factor. I have mentioned these points in my budget video before the budget day. So people who already know my video for the budget, they can check it, they can understand I have given this information in advance or not. So one can see how I given a call for gold. The call was for gold crash for next 15 to 50 days. So after my call you can see the gold prices, and there is a crash in gold prices and silver prices. And meanwhile again you can recheck my old analysis report. In 2020 I have given a call for silver and gold. I have a positive opinion for silver, I have supported for silver, and you can see silver was in positive for the next 3 weeks after my call. And in 2020 again I have given a call for BML, so that reached a new high in 2020-21. So later I have given a call for Brookfield. So I have said the Brookfield will have a 5 to 8 times of subscription, and the gains will be 5 to 15. The subscription become 100% accurate, and the listing is 3%, but many people guessed that there will be no subscription or there will be a negative listing or something. But against their ideology, I have given 5 to 8 times subscription analysis. So like this, I have given a successful analysis for the REITs also. And on 22 January 2021, again I gave a call for Tata Power and NICL. So here where one can see in 1984 from 134, so within 20 days it got 50% profit. In recent time I have made a video for bitcoins. In that video I have mentioned the key analysis against bitcoins, and I exposed Elon Musk in his master strategy in the bitcoins, and also I have explained about the Tesla, and I have already predicted Tesla growth when it was at $200, and again as predicted the downfall when it was reached 900 USD. So this is how a real analyst or real wealth creation works. And for the budget, before 6-7 months I have recommended Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors. The stock gave good return. I have analyzed for the scrapping policy for Ashok Leyland. So all the things became true when budget analysis came outside. So future of Indian economy and market. Here we have a prediction or assumption like this. Before 10 years we have a GDP 1.8 trillion dollars. Now the GDP is 2.8 trillion dollars. So we have a assumption like this. We can have a $5 trillion in 2030, or it is a minimum assumption, but as per the statistics and all it will be 7 trillion to 10 trillion dollars for 2030. So we can assume growth in stock market as well. And meanwhile, one can see what are the GDP charts from last 20-25 years. We are in an emerging level. So the next 10-15 years are very important for the investors and the companies. And recent article shows that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala predicts for Nifty will be at 1 lakh by 2030. So all these things says that we have a good future and we have a good chance for the investments. And meanwhile, one can study the Infosys, Emami and all other stocks returns. So if someone invested some 10,000 in 1993, he could have made it around 3 CR. So this is the power of long-term investment and long-term CAGR. So Infosys have a CAGR of 39%. Like this, different companies have a different CAGR. But investing in such a company is not so easy. For selecting stocks and managing stocks, we need a PMS. PMS, one can invest in the company and the advisor will take care of the portfolio and the stocks. So he can make the return. But as an individual, it's not easy to predict the stocks and all. Some people may not know what is a PMS. In PMS, there will be a fund manager who will take care of your stocks and positions. He will do trading and all. So that is a PMS. So then some people get a doubt what is a mutual fund and what is a portfolio management services. For both mutual funds and PMS are under SEBI, but mutual funds have more scrutiny and regulations compared to PMS. And in mutual funds, you have less chance of selecting stocks and all. In PMS, you can select the stocks, or you can do a more risk. The fund manager can do more risk for good stocks. And another point I can say regarding SEBI, majority people don't know what is SEBI. It's a Security Exchange Board of India, and it is must to be a licensed SEBI company for any advisory or any financial related services. Without SEBI license or regulation, no one can do business. If they are doing the business, it is an illegal thing. And the people are investing such a companies or such a deals without any SEBI license and all, they can't get any legal support or legal services. So many people think that mutual funds don't have any cost or burden, but definitely mutual fund also have a charges and all. So even direct plan also have a expense ratio. It's up to 1 to 1.5 something. So without any cost or without any expenses, no one do services to you. So the main difference between the PMS and mutual funds is CAGR. What is the annual growth? It's matter a lot in the long term. And another factor I can say is the compound interest formula. For the compound interest formula, the time and the interest rate. What is the CAGR or the interest rate? It matters. More the time and more the interest rate, we can get more money. So that is how the investment decision should be taken. Here is the example. One can see 1 to the power of 365 equal to 1 and 1.01 to the power of 365 equal to 37.78. So that 1.01 matters a lot for the investments. And here there is a case study, Mr. Ram and Shyam. Mr. Ram 30 years old, Mr. Shyam 45 years old. So Mr. Ram invested for 30 years, Mr. Shyam invested for 15 years. So we can see the total investment is same, but the return for the Ram investment is more compared to Shyam because Ram invested for the long time. So this is the value of investment and value of time. Here in another example shows the Michael, Jennifer and Sam. Michael invested at the early stage. It's why he got more returns. So start early to get more returns. Here we can see the returns of two funds. One fund gave 14%, whereas another fund gave 15% return. For 14% growth rate, we got 7.13 return, and another with 15% growth rate, we got 8.13 lakh. So the value of the final amount will differ with the value of time and value of the CAGR or the growth rate. And many people think that the CAGR will be same. No, the CAGR will not be same. The CAGR will be different for different time period. The CAGR for last 3 years will be different for next 3 years. The CAGR for the last 5 years may be different for the next 5 years. The CAGR is just an average. Again, it will change with different time period. We can't give any fixed figures on the CAGR. And here we can understand why one mutual fund is not enough for the investments. There are different mutual funds with there are different CAGR within 1 year. Different CAGR for the 1 to 5 years based on the fund model. The large cap have 13.33 as a CAGR, and mid cap have 21.02, and small cap 22.52. So this is how the CAGR differ with the fund performance and fund selections. So if you want more return, you have to invest for such a investment product where you will get more CAGR. here I am taking help of Grow App, so I can show how the CAGR affects. The same fund with 1 lakh with the 20% CAGR for 10 years giving 5 times, but let us see how it will be when it was 40%. So it became 27 times. So 1 lakh became 27 lakh 92,000 when the CAGR become 40 years. If you change this time period again it will change. So the time and CAGR matters a lot. So we have to decide which time and which CAGR you want. So all these things matters a lot for calculating the profit returns. In this scenario with our PMS fund we have a 39.1 CAGR for last 10 years, so that minimum 1 CR become 38.23 CR in last 10 years. So this is how the performance affects, and one can see what is the average CAGR in the entire PMS segment. We got a better PMS segment in the market. We are the top company in the PMS advisory and PMS services in the entire PMS industry. The CAGR will be average CAGR will be 39.06. This is a great product for the CSG seekers. So beta is another important factor. Which beta will decide the performance of the mutual funds and performance of the PMSs. And average PMS funds will give 20% and PMS advisory gave 39% CAGR, and we are expecting 100% CAGR for next 10 years. Of course 100% may not be possible, but 50% is for sure for the next 10 years because of the GDP calculations. So based on the GDP and economy we have to assume, for the worst scenario let us assume 50% as a. Here I am going to share very interesting topics related to clients emotions and their mistakes, so it will help the investors. So maximum 70 to 80% of investors have a psychological problem. So those problems will be emotional management and herd mentality. So these two are very important compared to any other factors. Some people don't know when to invest, some people don't know how much to invest, some people don't know how to wait after investment. In herald mentality, people invest along with their family, along with their community, without thinking about the SEBI rules, without thinking about the policy, without thinking about the future of the investment, everything. So best example I can give for a herald mentality, just for agri-gold, many people invested money with their own family or their own relatives only. So and second is Hira Gold. In Hira Gold, many people invested with their community based only. So these two factors decide we have a herd mentality. Second, in stock market we have different proofs like this. Some people go and invest for the penny stocks because some news media or some people are discussing. So these people go and invest for the penny stocks. So all these kind of investments are example for herd mentality. And finally, there is another important point for our market and our investor is that many people don't know who is the advisor. They don't like to take help from advisor. That is the attitude we have in the market. So that is the biggest mistake in the investor side. So some interesting case studies are there. So it will help the investor to decide whether they are right or wrong, how they are missing the profits with these case studies. So these case studies definitely will help for the wealth creators and wealth creation lovers, because these are very important case studies, and these are very real-time case studies in my experience and with different portfolios. So Tata Motors is a very interesting topic. For Tata Motors, I have recommended from 70 rupees onwards from 2020 April. So many people invested, some people don't invested at that time. Even some people invested, but they have exited when it reached 120. Even though I have said the target price is 250, and now it reached up to 300 plus. Same way, in another case, I recommended my client to exit from his stock and invest the amount in Tata Motors. But the case is that when someone not invested in Tata Motors, they have missed some 100% growth rate. Even I have recommended at different time. I have recommended when it was at 150 also. People waited until the target price, they have made good return. And the other people who didn't believe or who take a early decision, they lost the maximum return. So this is how the emotions matters the wealth creation. And another case study like Bandhan Bank and many other banks, many people have invested their entire amount or 50-70% amount for the one stock or two stocks. I have seen many people invested for the Bandhan Bank. They have bought it with 650 around. So now the Bandhan Bank reached 300-400 range. The entire portfolio down to for 50-40%, and there is no gain in the bullish market also. So the arrangement of the portfolio allocation matters a lot for the investors. Those people who don't care about the portfolio allocation, they have to miss the profit and they have to wait for the long time. Again, many people invest in some SMS tips or some news-based analysis. Many people invested for S Bank and Future Retail, many stocks. So those people who only care about the market and newses only. So when there is a news in the market, they go and invest in the stocks. So this is how many people going to invest and they're going to lose their money. I have many examples. Many people invested lakhs and lakhs in S Bank when it was collapsed to 15 or 12 rupees. They are thinking that S Bank again will reach 300 or 400 rupees. There is no guarantee for that. For that price, again we have to see the similar condition in the management, similar condition in the financial records. Same way one can understand what happened to the R Power and our Arcom companies. And there are lots of companies where people lost their money, and people have taken this kind of decision by themselves or they have invested along with their gang or families. Some people invested for Orchid Pharma, some people invested for Silpha Medicare, some people invested for the Future Retail, and some people invested 50 lakhs for the Silpha Medicare. So everyone lost their money. So it's not a fault of market, it's not a fault of advisor, it's a fault of the people who invested or who taken decision themselves. I always oppose intraday and option trading. I have many reasons, but recent technical issues with the NSE gave a good answer for my analysis. So when NSE technical glitch happened last day, many people had to square up their position, and many brokers had square up the customer's position. So both the way the customer has square up the position and he lost lots of money. And same way, if somebody invested crores and crores, we can guess what might be the loss for the same day. So people who invest for such a wrong trades, they can't create wealth. We can do such a things for 10,000 or 20,000 rupees, but we can't do such a thing if you have a more money, and that too if you want to create a portfolio. For portfolio, one must invest for long time only. So NSE technical issue is a best lesson for the short term traders or the intraday traders. Same way, I always oppose options. People who invest options, they may get profit at early stage, but at the end they will lose their entire money. Nobody will keep their profit for long term. This is the fact. But nobody will accept. No one can stay away from options because they have an emotional attachment with the option trading. So they keep on trading for options. And I have seen many people who lost lakhs and crores. Some people lost their lakhs of money with even 50 lakhs rupees within 1 week also. Recent NSE technical issues also created a problem for option traders by affecting the option premiums. This is why I am against intraday and option trading. So some people think that I don't know options and intraday and all, but I'm good in options and all, but I don't recommend anyone because of these reasons only. So if you want to create, one must invest for the long time only. And many people think in recent time we got 5 times or 10 times, but in market for last 3 to 4 years there is no good CAGR also, and in many cases people lost their lives because of gambling and illegal trades. Don't do such a things and don't lose your money for greed or fear. Do a ethical business and invest for long term only. And always note that there will be a manipulation in the market, especially in penny stocks and some stocks. There will be manipulation. People who might know this, some companies like Sushi Soya and some USA company like GameStop. So always there will be a manipulation from different groups. So don't be trapped with such a manipulation. And always remember, nobody will work for free. We must understand why someone give free tips to you, why someone works for you free of cost. See, here nobody can work free of cost. So that is the difference between a valuable advisor and a free things in the market. If there is a rumor in the market, people are just investing just because of there is a free tip in the market, just like a S Bank, Idea, Vodafone. All these things are just example for the losers. I have seen many people lost 1 lakh or 2 lakh with this kind of small and unregulated stocks. And with the development of technology and all, trading is very easy. One can place buy sell orders very easily. But making profit is not easy for long time. Even someone making the profit for 1 day or 1 month, but he can't continue the account or the portfolio for long time. Out of 100, 70 and 80% will lose their account or the portfolio with 5 to 10 years time. So only 20-30% people can carry their accounts for long time. Here is an interesting topic we got in the market research. So out of 100%, 70% of mutual fund direct investors or direct buyers are unable to keep their portfolio for next 10 years. Many people are redeeming or the selling their portfolio or just withdrawing their amount for different reasons. And the other way, 80% of demat accounts are inactive or dormant stage or they are in zero level. So this is how the market is going on. So the people are just doing trading or something, they're just losing their money and they're just scalding the market or they're leaving the market. This is going to happen in the market every time. So if you want to create a wealth, one must stay for a long time only. If still you don't believe me, you can ask any 5 to 10 members who have a experience in the stock market. Ask them whether you invested and whether you're making a profit from last 5-10 years. If anybody tells he invested and making profit from 5-10 years, it's good. And I am very sure out of 10, 70-80% may exit from the stock market, may have loss in market. Similarly, managing account is not easy. For smaller amount or smaller thing is very okay. It's okay. But when we have a lakhs and crores, we have a great pressure and we have different emotions. So that will definitely affect the portfolio performance. Definitely, we need a research and analyst team for finding the right opportunity and right trend in the market. And I am very sure that PMS is the only product which promises CAGR or good CAGR. Without PMS, without management, no one can create a portfolio. Even mutual fund have a good performance because they have a fund manager. And without having any fund manager, we can't have a CAGR because as a human being with the different emotions, we will disturb the investment. And one more drawback in our society or the disadvantages we can see in the market, many people are not interested to pay the advisor or they're not interested to give a respect to the advisor. That is a major impact, a problem in our society. They are ready to lose their entire amount, they're ready to lose lakhs and crores. They are not interested to pay any money to the advisor. This will affect the return also. So somebody paying insurance premium today will get the insurance coverage. If somebody is not paying the insurance premium, he will not get insurance coverage. Same way, the payment of the services cost for the good advisory or a good team will give good return. If you don't pay good amount or good, if you don't have a good team for your investments, so there is no guarantee on the returns or there is no guarantee for the performance. And always have a mentor and always respect your mentor. Always have a balanced investment decision along with your mentor only. So without a mentor, as an individual, it's not so easy to take a decision. It's not a easy thing to have a patience with the investments for long time. So one must have a mentor. Even the cricketers also have a mentor or a coach. Why not the investor? And try to have a trustworthy financial advisor who can stay with you and stand with you for long term rather than short term or something, and always try to track his performance and track record for long time. So somebody is giving false or fake services for short term gains, he will not give any good return for you for long time. If you want to create a good return for long time, you should have some quality advisory. The ethical advisory is very important. There are different groups, they have different agenda for giving stock tips. So some people are just manipulational, some people are just manipulating the stocks. Should definitely understand what is advisory, what is PMS advisory, what is PMS. So without understanding those differences and those rules, it's not easy to have a good services and good return also. And make sure you have a experienced and licensed advisor. Always cross check SEBI approvals for the advisor of the company. If somebody giving advisory without any license or support from the SEBI is a fraud or is a unethical person. So always go along with the rules and regulations. Don't go against the rules and regulations. So here we are going to discuss the tips or the strategies for the growing your money. So I would say some important points like this: perfect analysis is important, and planning is important, and perfect time is very important, and finally patience. So all these four factors are very important for the long term wealth creators. So one can become a value investor with this kind of scenario. And always do an analysis, invest, wait, and enjoy the return. Here I'm going to explain how I am getting good results or how I am getting good success rate with my analysis. The secrets or the things will be very very fundamental and very very. So first thing I would like to say regarding the stocks, always I will check the industry and the business, and later I will find out the company management and I will inquire about the management, and finally I will study the financials and the right time or wrong time for the investment. So let us consider for the Tata Motors. I have studied the Tata Motors, whether the Tata Motors have a good sales or not, and the industry is good or not. Later I have studied the management, who is the CEO or who is the board, what is the problem in the board, and finally I have studied the pricings and the financials, where I found that everything is good and this is the right price and we can invest for this price. And one more important, above all these points, we should take care of the legal or legal issues with the company. If any company have a legal issues, better buy the stock once the company is out of the legal issues only. And this is my favorite strategy, and it is a very powerful strategy in the market. Before finalizing, before buying or before taking any decision, one can use this tool. This tool is known as SWOT: strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. For any company or person of the stock, there will be a strength. We can understand the strengths and positivity of the company. Same way, we can consider the weakness in the company and the opportunity for the business or the sales in future. And same way, the threats related with the market or with the competitor and everything, we can monitor and we can confirm whether this stock will have a potential to grow or not. So one must study these four factors to have a final decision to buy or not. Finally, this is my strategy where we implement PMS, swing trading, and multiple options. Some people prefer PMS, some people do only one product, but I prefer to do these three things for my clients so that they have a good return for short term and good return for long term, and they're creating good returns. And those people who don't know swing trading, here again I'm explaining swing trading is something to do buy and sell in short terms in a bullish market. So overall our services will be PMS, advisory, all kinds of investments and mutual funds. The products will be like this. PMS means, as I told, some fund manager will place buy and sell orders for you. It is 50 lakhs minimum investment is must for the PMS, and those people who can't invest 50 lakhs, they can invest from 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs. It is something we can give advisory. You can place order in your account. SIP is the regular monthly investment. So one important note, audience, after 1st April we can't accept any client with investment below 50 lakhs. So minimum 50 lakhs is the investment amount. So those people are interested to create wealth, they have to decide and they have to come with us, or else we can't give these services in future even though you are interested. So take a decision before 1st April. As I told again and again, creating 100 times in next 10 years is not a, as I told, we have PMS, swing trading and different options. So altogether this will help the investor to create 100 times in 10 years. If you check my CAGR calculations and if you check the GDP calculations, so it's not a fake thing, it's not a impossible thing. What I have already told you regarding the CAGR, the stock selection is matters and the time matters a lot. So if you invest in the right time, you can create more CAGR, you can enjoy the more return also. And already I have given some research reports, I have given my proofs, I have given my case studies. So you have to understand, and since last 1-2 years also some people are observing, or some people are getting my analysis reports, some people are aware of my tips and advanced analysis. So they have to understand this logic. And finally, I have to tell some more tips for the wealth creators. Don't waste time. Right time is the best time for the investors. And always check out the CAGR. What is the CAGR you are getting? Some people may invested for mutual funds, or some people invested somewhere else. But just check it. What is the CAGR you are getting? If you invest in direct stocks, if you are doing direct mutual fund, what is your CAGR? What is your CAGR for last 5 years and 10 years? One must check out that CAGR. And having a right advisor is not a loss for anyone. Having a right advisor will give a extra benefit to you or your investment. Some people without advisor they are losing their money. Some people, as I told earlier, 70 to 80% of people are losing their money or they are not getting proper returns also. And 10-20% people are only able to create the returns. Till today nobody lost their money with PMS or PMS advisory, but people who are doing direct trading or direct decisions, they have lost and they have a underperformance, they have a bad performance compared to the other PMS and all. So just because of the emotional mismanagement and money mismanagement. And some more tips for the wealth creators: have a discipline, so don't spoil or don't disturb your investment pattern, and have a patience until getting the returns and all. As I told, in Tata Motors case or some other cases, people has taken their decision with hurry or something. So have patience. So when you have a call or when you have a target, please wait. And finally, confidence is very important. Without confidence, without trust, you can't create any wealth. Those people who invested in Infosys have created 200 times or 300 times, but it's not a big issue. The main issue, the people have waited for 20-25 years. That's the main thing. So how can, what is the guarantee you can wait for 20-25 years? It matters a lot. So we can't take a decision like based on these things. Today people say they are going to wait or something, but there are different factors. The company, the environment, the industry, everything matters a lot. So that's the reason PMS is very important. With PMS one can control his emotions, one can control the money management. So in PMS there is a huge scope for the good profit compared to direct investments. So one can contact with me when they are ready to invest. We have a different portfolios, different strategy as per your age, portfolio sizes, and as per your targets also. And again I am telling, in the entire market you can go with different products, different analysis and different thing. You can consider their analysis and their products, and you can understand which is the best product. If you think we are the best and we have given a quality advisory, please don't waste your time with doubts. So we have a less time. We are going to stop our PMS advisory before 1st April. So after 1st April, minimum 50 lakhs is must for the PMS services. So if you have any interest, please come and join with us and create wealth. So I hope you like this video, and please let me know if you have any questions, and please comment your doubts in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video, and thanks for sharing this video. Thanks. If you like the content, please like it and please share for your friends, and please subscribe for more updates from our channel.